Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Drivers. First of all, I would like to thank you about showing so much support on my last video. In my last video, we discussed about relationships in Tableau, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about the joins in Tableau. So let's say you have table 1 which has few columns and table 2 which has few columns, but you need to showcase a visualization in Tableau that contains data or that contains the column from both the both the tables. So how you are going to achieve this? So you are going to achieve this with the help of the joins in Tableau. So the joins concept of joins in Tableau is very much similar. It's same with the joins which we have in our SQL. So basically, joins are used to combine one table to another so that we can get our desired output. So let's say I'll show you the example here. So I'm connected again with the bookshop dataset. I'm dragging the book table here. So if you remember in last video we talked about the relationship and we talked about the layers as well. So this is our logical layer, and you can see you have three columns: book ID, title and author ID in your book table. But I want to create a join which takes place in a physical layer, so I'll just open this, and this is our physical layer, and I'll join the author table here. The moment you drag your author table, you will see this 3 fields and 58 rows section will be changed. So let's see how it changed. So the moment I dropped my table, it is now 9 fields and 58 rows. So 9 fields, how from 3 it changed to 9 is 3 fields from your book ID, from your book table, that is book ID, title and author. 6 fields from your author table: author ID, first name, last name, birthday, country, residence and hours. So now this is your data model for the joins, where two tables have been combined in one table, and now you can use it. So if you see the Venn diagram here, by default Tableau picks up the common field between both the tables. So here the common field between both the tables is your author ID. So Tableau picks the common field between both the tables and it will apply the inner join here. So what inner join do, if you see the Venn diagram clearly, so it is picking up the common field between both the tables. So inner join shows the common records for book table and the author table. So the output of inner join will always be the common records from both the tables. So I'll just quickly move to sheet 1 and show you what we are trying to say. I'll go to sheet 1 here. Let me just rename this. So here we will, this will be a short video but very important one in terms of concept wise. So I'll just try to showcase you all the concepts in this particular sheet only. And of course, if you have any of the questions, you can reach out to me anytime. I would be happy to help you. So I'll just rename it and okay. So now if you see in the left side, you have your author table, you have your book table. Okay, and these are the measures now. So let's say I need the author ID, I need the first name. Okay, then I need the book title. Book ID is not required, I need the title and hours of writing per day. So this is it. Okay, so now you can see the common record from both the table is 58, and if you remove the title here, I'll just remove the title, the common records are 34. And how it is 34, reason being the few of the author has more than one book. So this is the reason it is showing as 58 as the common records. So the output for your inner join here is 58. If I go back now, instead of inner join, I select the left join. So left join, what it do is, it will pick all the records from the left table and only the common records from the right table. Common records as in the records which are there in your right table as well as in your left table. So it will only pick up the common records from the right table and all the records from the left table. So again, if you see, there will not be a change here in the output. So output is the same for left scenario as well, for left join also. Again, if I remove the title here, then it will be 34 again. So this is your left join. And let's say we check the output for your right join. So if I select the right join here, we can change the field as well, the field through which we need to join our table. But currently in our tables, the author ID is the only common field here. That is the reason Tableau has automatically picked it up, and we won't have any calculated field. If required, you can create a join calculation. You can create a common field here by defining your predefined calculations so that it will work as per your requirement. So I'll just go here. I've applied the right join. So it will pick all the records from the right table and only the common record of the left table. So again, I'll check the output. So output is still, now output is different. Now your output is 64 because in your right table, that is this one, your author table, few of the books title is null. Okay, so few of the books title is null, and that is the reason you can see the author null here as well, and that is the reason it is 65 records. So as we have null in right table and it is a right join, so it will pick all the records from the table. So it is showing you the 65 records as of now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say I'll exclude the null here right now for. So if I exclude the null here, again it will be 50. But I don't want to exclude it as of now. I'll just keep it like this. And if I come back here and instead of right join, I select the full outer join. So now your records would be 65 same. So it will show all the records from both the tables. So this is about the joins in SQL. And here I would want to discuss one very common interview question that you will see whenever you appear for the Tableau interview is how join is different from the relationship. So as I've shown you earlier, in joins, so in relationship you will see two different tables. I'll show you there again. Just a minute. I'll again open another window and I'll connect with the Tableau bookshop data source again. Just a minute, I'm using Tableau public and my laptop is a little slow, that is the reason. Okay, so now the pops up come and I connect to Microsoft Excel as the data source, bookshop dataset. Okay, so I'm connected. Now it is executing the query. It will take a few seconds here, not much time. Okay, so now I'll drag the book here. So this is your logical list. So you see 3 columns of a book table, and here if I connect another table with the help of a relationship, so you will see 6 columns of your author table. If I click on author, you will see the author table details. If you click on book, you will see the book table detail. But in relationship, When you join two tables, your two table will be combined as one single table, and it will have the three fields of book table, six fields of author table, that is mine. So what happens in relationship is your table will not be joined in a single table, they will be connected. But in in joins, your table will be merged in a single table so that you can use all the columns. So this is one of the basic interview question which you might face whenever you appear for the Tableau interview. And this join concept is very common and very widely used, and it is similar to the join which we have in SQL. So I hope you you understood the concept, and if you have any question, you guys can reach out to me anytime. So that's it from this video today, and thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.